we're in my lovely bathroom. I wanted to do a shower tutorial without me actually like being in the shower. So, be like what I use when I'm showering, when I get out of the shower. First thing I do when I get in the shower, obviously, is turn on the water. That is so important to take a shower, you guys. Turning on the water. First thing I do is I wash my hair. So, this is actually what I am washing my hair with now. If you have never used mane and tail, it literally is for horses, you guys. It is the best product in the world for growing your hair out. It really is. Like, I'm sure there's other things to use, but like, this is what I use specifically. And then I do have the conditioner. So, if you know me, you know I never use the shampoo and conditioner together of anything. So, you can get at really anywhere. I mean, if you go to Walmart, they're like, I think like $6. I got them from Family Dollar, and they were like $3 a bottle, and the conditioner actually had $1 off. Here's my other conditioner I use. Let me turn it around. This one is really good for hydrating your hair, keeping it really soft. If you've never used this, I recommend this for anybody that colors their hair, anybody that has dry hair, anything like that. This works wonders. It really does. When I bleached my hair, I literally could use that, and my hair was so perfect afterwards. So this is what I've been using to do my face. I'm actually going to buy more stuff when I get paid Friday, because I'm getting like really bad acne. You can't see it, but like I have all these blackheads, and I had a pimple right here that I had to get rid of, and it's been tragic. So I use this while I'm like shampooing and conditioning my hair. You hear my dogs? They're barking. They're yapping. They're making a lot of noise. I want to move on to what I wash my body in. I'm actually going to do a review on this at some point and talk about this. This is what I wash my body in. I have been talking about this for a couple of days now with like just people in general. This is my favorite body wash ever. I'm not going to go into all the details because I do want to save all of my details that I have for a review. But I have this. Absolutely love it. It smells like coconut water and mimosa flower. If you don't know what those two smell like, go buy this. It is sold at Target. It is sold at CVS. I think. Don't hold me accountable for that. And it's also sold at Walmart. I actually got this as a Christmas gift. It actually came with this, a body spray. So it came with bar of soap. I like the bar of soap, but I don't use it as much because it really does, like, it dries my skin out a little bit. It does not do that at all. And then we have the spray that actually comes with it. When I get out of the shower after using this, I normally move on and I use this. I literally spray this on my body every single night. Yeah, I want the details about this. I have some razors. Well, let me talk to you about what kind of razor I use, okay? This is a Harry's brand razor. The H. Yeah, let me see the H. Cool. You can get this razor at Walmart and Target, that I know for sure. I'm sure you can get it other places, but I totally get it from those two places. I adore this razor. Whenever I get out of the shower, the most important thing to ever do when you get out of the shower after you dry yourself off is put on deodorant. Okay, I have this one, and I also have this one. I love Degree. Degree is probably the best deodorant to me. Sorry, Secret, if you ever watch this. After I get done putting deodorant on, I use this body spray right here. It literally came from Five Below, so yeah, it's like a knockoff of something. I don't really know what, but it is. I absolutely love this. It smells really good. On my good days, which are like very rare, I will put lotion on. Sometimes I use this lotion, sometimes I use other lotions.
There's a little bit oily.
I use this. This literally is amazing. I get it at Walmart. Don't really know where else you can buy it, but I know you can get it at Walmart, and I love it. It smells amazing. It doesn't leave any white crap in your hair. It's like perfect. I definitely want to say thank you for watching this video. It's like the most pointless video I've ever made. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you subscribe and like. Okay. Okay, bye-bye now.
Yeah.